Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add animations to your Shopify store. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store. Then click on Customize to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor loads, to find animations, look at the left side and click on the gear icon, also known as Theme Settings. Inside the theme settings, you'll find an option called Animations. Click on that to open the animation controls. Here you will see different animation features such as page transition, product card to product page transition, and add to cart animation. To enable them, simply turn on the toggle for each option you want to use, and the animation will be applied on the store. Below that, you'll also find card hover effect. From the drop-down menu, you can choose one of the effects like lift, zoom, or scale. Select the effect you prefer, and it will be applied to your product cards. After choosing your animations, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. This is how you can easily add animations to your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.